Workout complete. I actually really enjoyed today's workout. As you can see, I got ready and then I had my lunch, which was actually kind of like breakfast for lunch. So just picked 4 different things that I'm grateful for, and I've been doing that every night to bring a little bit more positivity and like remind myself of the good things I have. That will. We have mint lavender chicken with jasmine. Hi guys. I look exhausted. I'm exhausted. It's 6:30 a.m. I woke up at 6 thanks to a mosquito bugging me half an hour before my alarm went off, and then I couldn't go to sleep because it kept on bugging me, so now I'm awake. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna go tidy and start the day. I look like a toe right now. I'm so tired. God. I think I slept, what? I slept at 2:30, it's 6. Maybe 3.5 hours, 4.5 hours. Don't know. Can't do the math right now, but I'm like, you're gonna need a nap throughout the day because there's too much. Workout complete. I am a tomato. I'm gonna go shower. I'm out of the shower. I've blow dried my hair, just rough dried it, and I'm having a cherry chocolate protein smoothie, and I'm actually quite sleepy, so as the vlog from yesterday uploads, I think I might take a nap. It's probably gonna take like about 30 minutes or something, so a power nap because I've gotten really tired now. After that I'm gonna make some breakfast. Well, not some breakfast because this is like my breakfast. I'm gonna switch it for, because this is supposed to be my lunch. Usually I work out in the afternoon and then I have that for lunch, but yeah, this is my breakfast and I'm just gonna switch and have breakfast for lunch. Well, for some reason it got like really itchy here, but it's fine. I'm gonna check off the things that you can tell I'm sleepy. I'm gonna check off the things that I've done. I know I have to hoover still, but my aunts aren't out of the room yet. So once they get out and start making their own noise, I'm gonna hoover. But yeah, that's the idea. But yeah, that's the only thing I'm really missing, that and then editing tomorrow's video, and I've done everything so quicker than expected. A lot faster. Ugh, my lip is itchy. I think I just need to like wash my towel with my cardigan and my fluffy socks, and I think that's it. I'm currently washing I'm drying the last load, and I'm washing the kitchen towels and tea towels and all that and that kind of stuff. So yeah, very productive so far. We've been successful. Happy about that. I actually really enjoyed today's workout. I absolutely despise jump squats, just so you know, and I know they're really good, but I despise them, and this today's workout didn't have them, so I'm actually quite gassed that I didn't have any, but it just looks so weird and it's all just so pink. It's because I keep on doing this. Whatever. We're gonna ignore. I actually really enjoyed today's workout, and I felt like a lot more, like, I've had 3.5 hours of sleep. I felt a lot, like, more energetic. I don't know why. Like, I could do the workout without, like, dying midway. So it's probably because I'm on the 4th week and I'm feeling it. Like, you know, I'm actually enjoying it now. I'm not just dying. So, yeah, you just gotta power through. It's made me really happy. Now I need to do the arm and ab workout on Wednesday. Those are the ones that kind of like to kill me, the arm ones, but it was still okay. I felt okay. The more I can get used to it, then I'm gonna switch to 5 times a week, working out 5 times a week, and then instead of working only 30 minutes, I'm gonna do 30 minutes, and then some of the like lessons and like focused kind of, I don't know, lessons? I don't know. They're like videos and they teach you what to do when you focus on them, so yeah, it might be like a 1-hour workout then, so we're improving, which is good, and I feel good. My legs are like a bit sore already, but it's a good thing. I'm not dying though. I'm not dying like I cannot walk, no. We're not there yet, probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna check this off and take a nap because I can't do it anymore. I did what I need to do before midday, which is a good thing. In 6 hours we've accomplished a lot of stuff, so. Yeah. Let's go. Hey guys. It seems like all I've done in the vlog, I think, is just be in my room and lay in my bed, but that is incorrect. That is incorrect. As you can see, I got ready and then I had my lunch, which was actually kind of like breakfast for lunch, so yeah. I packed myself. I was so hungry. I enjoyed every single bite of it, and now I'm kind of like cozied up in the bed because I got cold at digesting, and I just want to edit. Hold on. I want to edit tomorrow's video, so we're on track. We were on track, perfectly on track, and then kind of like I shifted time around a little bit, but still got 5.5 hours till have to be in bed asleep, so we can still do a bunch of stuff. So yeah, it's because I got a little bit off track because I was watching The Good Doctor with my aunts. I never started watching it, I just jumped in, they were watching it, and I was just like, okay, cool. But I know it was good, so I just want to start it. But yeah, that's what's happened. I'm sorry I haven't really shown you that much around the house and stuff, but I just didn't really feel like showing me tidy when I was so groggy and sweaty and then working out and everything. Like, I feel like you've seen that stuff and we could change it up a little bit. So, yeah, I'm going to edit for now. And oh, one thing I wanted to tell you now that I just looked at it. I have like this notebook right next to the bed. And it's because I've started doing this thing every night or every morning, just after the day's over. I do it the next day or in the evening of the same day. Does that make any sense? Okay, no one cares. But I started doing the like 4 things that I'm grateful for. I don't know why I picked 4, but I guess it just made sense then. It could have been 3, it could have been 5. I don't know why I picked 4, but whatever. So yeah, I just picked 4 different things that I'm grateful for, and I've been doing that every night to bring me a little bit more positivity and like remind myself of the good things that I have. So that's pretty much all so far. I don't know, but this is a lovely angle, you know. I could very well be vlogging properly at a very uncomfortable angle, but I just don't care at this point. I'm just like, see the double chin and enjoy the double chin. Yeah, I'm gonna edit this video. I'm excited for tonight's dinner because I know my aunts really like, well, at least one of my aunts has tried it because I made it the other day, which probably like a month ago, and she loved it, and my other aunt has been asking me to make it, but I haven't made it because I keep on forgetting to put it in the meal plan, or sometimes there's like not coriander or no coconut milk, and this time I got all of them. So tonight we will have mint lavender chicken with jasmine rice, which reminds me I need to take the chicken out. With did you say lavender or jasmine rice? No, coconut, coriander, lime rice. I feel like having a tea. I'm too lazy to get up, so this is when having a partner, someone you love comes in handy. They could make tea for you and bring it to bed when you're just not feeling like getting up because you've gotten up so early. Hey guys, I am starting to completely pass out. My head bumped twice while editing, but I've finished editing. I'm rendering right now, so we're done with that, but it's 8:40. I'm gonna make some dinner and then just go to bed probably like right after that, because I'm exhausted. I'm supposed to be in bed by 10. I'm going to sleep at 10:30, but I am, like, look at me. I can't cope anymore. I'm gonna go cook the dinner. Oh, everything hurts. I'll be back. I'm falling asleep, guys. Hey guys, I'm dying. I'm dead. I can't. Good night. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Good night.